Emily Plays, a popular YouTube content creator, has recently released an exciting new trailer on her channel that has been capturing the attention of viewers. Emily Plays is known for her entertaining gaming videos, where she showcases her skills, shares tips and tricks, and provides a fun and interactive experience for her audience. Her content primarily revolves around popular video games such as Minecraft, Roblox, and GTA, attracting gamers of all ages. The new trailer begins with a captivating introduction, building up the anticipation and leaving viewers eager to see more. As the trailer progresses, Emily Plays can be seen diving into various gaming adventures, facing challenging quests, and engaging in thrilling battles. The fast-paced editing and dynamic visuals keep viewers on the edge of their seats, creating a sense of excitement and adrenaline. One of the highlights of the trailer is Emily Plays' infectious energy and charismatic personality, shining through as she interacts with her fans, cracking jokes, and sharing heartfelt moments of triumph and perseverance. It's clear that Emily Plays not only entertains but also inspires her viewers to embrace their passion for gaming and to never give up on their dreams. The trailer also teases some exciting upcoming content that Emily Plays has in store for her fans. Viewers catch glimpses of new games she'll be playing, collaborations with other popular YouTubers, and even hints at potential giveaways and challenges. This leaves viewers eagerly awaiting the release of these videos, eager to see what surprises Emily Plays has in store. Overall, the trailer showcases Emily Plays' ability to create engaging content that resonates with her audience. Her infectious personality, captivating gameplay, and upcoming surprises make her YouTube channel a must-watch destination for gaming enthusiasts.